Kabuki, and we're at Busch Gardens tonight at Hallow Scream. I finally have someone coming along with me, so I won't have to go with anyone. There's literally fire happening right now. Let's go.
25th year of Hallow Scream.
Why am I already shaking? My shorts are too short and my booty keeps coming out. This is about to be a whole different show. We think this is a scare zone. We're gonna try it. I just want to be scared. Someone jump out at me.
Please, please, it's going to eat us.
Oh. Okay. Well, do you want to go? Nope. That's enough for me. I have been left.
Please don't go! Fuck me! Fuck me!
I don't want to move.
Fresh meat.
Oh. Okay, let's turn around the corner. I just jumped scared myself. Wait, I'm confused. Is this a house? Let's go on my side. I don't see what more. Look, I'm very close to my ankles, sir. I like it. Me too. I don't do this. I'm like a green person. Oh no.
I'm buried in your blood. Come here, worm. I'll break you.
That was considered a scare zone. That was legit. That was scarier than anything I've been in. I would do it again. That happened last night at SeaWorld. I didn't know if it was a scare zone, a walkthrough, or a house. So I definitely feel like the scare zones here are more intense than Worlds of Fun by like a million. And the houses are better at Universal. They're hiding in the bushes. Wait, get something. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. They're like hiding in the bushes and like camouflage like leaves. It's actually really good. Oh my gosh.
Stay with us!
So good.
Join us!
So that was like another little walkthrough they had, and they're like so far out of all of them, this has been the best walkthroughs. That was really good. Yeah, we're going in another one. Oh my god. I knew it.
You want battery?
Yeah, battery.
You bring me a baby tiger, I trade you a tree.
I got you.
That's a good trade.
I actually really like that. It was like Christmas spirit themed. 10 out of 10. Dang it! Every time! I don't care what anyone says, Insidious left a forever mark on me, and the red door, literally, like, you walk in and all you see is red lights, and nope. That one gets a 10 out of 10. That one was scary. My legs are shaking, but the wait was only 15 minutes, if that. So, like, really good, but also, holy, dang it! Okay, so those scare zones are really good. Like, out of all of them, I think this is better than I think this is better than Universal's. Okay, that one wasn't that bad. I do like this a lot better though. I feel like it's a lot more accessible. Like, you can see it coming. Love that. Also, it's just a lot more fun. I don't know why. We're gonna go do a roller coaster now, so fingers crossed. The rides here, so in Kansas, they're not that bad. They're like kind of intimidating, kind of slow. That was the fastest thing I think I've ever ridden. But some of these rides though are way more intense than what I've ever ridden because I'm not usually a roller coaster person, but they look fun. We're following a clown right now. Woo, yep. That looks fun.
You should try to do it. I don't know. I've never been on that.
I don't think anything will be as fast as what we just went on. I would seriously fall flat. Okay. We have another one we're going through.
Wow, this is gonna be right
If you're looking for like a vibe and a fun party, Busch Gardens just has a bunch of like random people dancing and like little dance parties. Everyone here is just drinking, partying. Busch Gardens is by far my favorite. I'm really glad I got season passes. We're going on the new roller coaster though. That was wild. I don't even think we were on the ground or in the seats like 90% of the time. Oh my god, they're dancing. Wowza. That one gave me a run for my money. It was giving Haunted Mansion vibes, but it was also giving Haunted Mansion meets Insidious as a baby because it wasn't super scary, but the places that looked like Insidious were definitely in there and definitely scary. So this has probably been my most productive night of any of the amusement parks. Rides, houses, scare zones. This has probably been the best one. That's a wrap. I'm exhausted. Goodbye. See you on the flippy floppy.